Hi, this is my project demo video and I'm going to show you about my project application here. As you can see, this is my project and this is the main interface of my application, and as you will find there are four main functions here, and I'm going to introduce you all about these four functions one by one. The first is the player vs AI function. In this mode, the player can play Gobang game with the computer AI, and as you can see, there are three different levels here, and they are different because they are supported by different AI algorithms and mode. So firstly, let's look at the easy mode, and I will introduce you the basic knowledge about Gobang here. So as you can see, after we enter this mode, there is a chessboard here, and it is surrounded by four different buttons. And in Gobang game, because the black will always play first, and now the computer AI holds the black, so there is already a black pieces over here. And if the player click on the cross nodes on the chessboard, the white pieces will show up. And let's introduce the buttons here. But before that, I think I have to tell you what kind of situation means win. So let's just play this game. And as you can see, after one side, here is the black side forms 5 pieces in a line, then the blacks will win. And maybe we will find that after this match ends, this button shows up. This button is used to create, or I should say, remake a new match. So you can play this game one time and one time. And for this undo button, this button is used to repent, which means if one player thinks that his or her previous choices are not good, which means they are going to lose this match and they don't want to lose this game, they can use this button to back to the last pieces, and as you can see, the pieces are missing on the chessboard. And I will say this function is allowed in player vs AI mode because players are just want to win and they just want to have fun. So this function is available here, but I would say this function is not good and not available in player vs player mode. And another button here is called surrender. If one user wants to end this game quickly and maybe they have other things to do, they can just click on this button and quickly finish the game. So let's look at another button here, the change color button. As you can see, the black is held by the computer AI now. So if the players want to hold the black and they want to play first, they can click on this button to change the color. So as you can see, I'm holding the black now. So the last button is main menu button, just like its name. It's allow the players to back to the main interface. And the next function I'm going to introduce to you is net mode. In this mode, there's a room list here, and on the right, you can create your own room. So I will going to need another client so that I can show you about the net mode. And let's click on the demo client. As you can see, we got two clients now. So in this client, if one player wants to play Gobang game with their parents or their families, or they just don't want to play this game with AI, so they can create their own room here to play with humans. So let's just create a room called test. After the player click on the create button, they will automatically enter the game interface, and obviously this player cannot do anything in this page because there is only one person in the room. So on another client, if one player click on the net mode and he want to join a match, he just need to refresh the room list, and as you can see, the test room are showing up here. If this player wants to join this match, he or she just need to click on join button, and you can see they are in the same room now. They got the same situation. So this is the net mode, and if one player in this room want to exit this game, he or she don't want to play anymore. So they can just click on menu button, this main menu button, and the room will be deleted, and the two players will back to the last page. So this is the network mode. Let's look at the following functions. The third function I want to introduce is the training mode. In this mode, the player can play this game with themselves. I create this function because I think as to those who are not really familiar with this game, they may need this function to learn more about Gobang game, to be familiar with the rulers, to be familiar with the playing methods, and also to those who are already know really much more about Gobang game, they can also use this mode to improve themselves. So this is the main purpose of this function. And the last function I need to introduce to you is about this AI mode. But before that, I need to tell you that I create this project is not only for users to play Gobang games or let's say let other users to be familiar with Chinese traditional chess game. I choose this topic as my final project. Got another important reason, that is I want to verify a saying in Gobang chess words. An expert called Victor has said before that the black would always win under no forbidden ruler, and I want to verify whether it's true or not. So I create this mode. But before that, I'm going to show you another interface, which is record interface. In this interface, the program record all the game matches here. There's nothing here because we need to refresh that. So if we click on this refresh button, it will show you all the match records happened before based on third AI search level. If we choose another level, it will show different matches, and the total record situation are recorded here. As you can see, there are 3 matches in total and all the white wins. This is the record interface, and let's see our last function, AI mode. And if we click on this button, the game will automatically start, and now there are 2 AI algorithms are running and they are playing against each other, and you will find that it looks like really slow now, that's because the computer needed to calculate so many locations so that they can choose a better choice. And you have to notice that there are 2 AI algorithms that are running at the same time. And as you can see, the game is ended now, and there is a winner already. So why I'm creating this mode? Because I need to collect the information so that I can verify whether the saying is true or not. And obviously, I cannot always sit in front of my computer and play this game with AI for whole days, because maybe I need to collect more than 100 match informations. So this AI model will help me to collect those informations so that I can do what I want to do. So that is all about my project. Thanks.